Hey folks, welcome back to Smart Tool Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the magic of AI for your content creation. Whether you're writing a blog, editing a video, or creating eye-catching graphics, AI tools can make your life a whole lot easier. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about Jasper AI. Jasper is an AI-driven writing assistant that's perfect for generating blog posts, social media content, and even video scripts. Just type in a topic and Jasper will churn out high-quality content in seconds. It's like having a personal writer at your fingertips. Simply input your keywords and let Jasper do the heavy lifting. Next on the list is Canva AI. Canva is already a favorite for creating stunning graphics, but did you know they have an AI feature? Canva's AI can suggest design elements, layouts, and even color schemes to make your visuals pop. Just drag and drop your elements and let the AI refine them to perfection. Now if you're into video editing, you can't miss Pictory. Pictory uses AI to turn text into engaging videos. All you need to do is input your script and Pictory will automatically match it with relevant stock footage and even add voiceovers. It's a game changer for video content creators who want to save time. Just imagine transforming your blog posts into captivating videos with minimal effort. For those of you who need help with SEO, Surfer SEO is a must-try. This AI tool analyzes your content and provides real-time suggestions to optimize it for search engines. With Surfer SEO, you can improve your rankings and drive more traffic to your website. Just follow the recommendations and watch your content soar to the top of search results. Another fantastic tool is Lumen 5. This AI-powered video creator transforms your written content into stunning videos. Just paste your article or blog post into Lumen 5 and it will automatically generate a video complete with visuals, music, and text overlays. It's perfect for repurposing your existing content and reaching a wider audience. Lastly, let's not forget about Grammarly. Grammarly uses AI to proofread your content and suggest improvements. Whether you're writing an email, a blog post, or a social media update, Grammarly ensures your writing is clear, concise, and error-free. It's like having a personal editor available 24/7. So there you have it, my top AI tools for content creation. These tools can save you time, enhance your creativity, and take your content to the next level. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Smart Tool Guide, and tap the bell icon to stay updated on the latest AI and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.